Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is here and now, the present. There's so much power in the present. Don't worry about the past. You've outgrown that person. You shed that skin. You're a bigger and stronger being that cannot go and conform back into your old body, your old ways. You've outgrown it. Places, things, activities, jobs, opportunities, to something bigger. Don't worry about the future. You've already won. It's so much victory for you because you are the superstar. Are you ready to shine, baby, shine? But the intimate and most important part of life is living in the present. Living in your freedom, doing what you love to do. Time passes so fast when you're enjoying yourself and doing what you need to do when you're in your purpose and you believe in yourself. The future does not exist. You already won. And the present is gone. You've already beaten that, overcome that. I focus on the present moment, and I have the confidence to live life again. Because here and now, there is no danger but opportunity, love. And everything happens when my soul is ready to get up and go and enjoy life. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself.